The 30-day transformation, embracing the challenge. Are you ready? Let's talk about transforming your life. We can aim to lose 20 pounds in just 30 days. It's a big goal, but it's absolutely possible. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results. This isn't about crash diets or extreme workouts. This is about creating a healthier, happier you. It's about feeling more energetic, confident, and in control of your body. Think about how amazing you'll feel when you start seeing results. Picture yourself fitting into your favorite clothes again. Imagine the pride you'll feel knowing you achieved something incredible. This is your journey. This is your time to shine. Are you ready to embrace the challenge? Conquering the mental battle: motivation, misinformation, and accountability. Let's be real, getting started is often the hardest part. Motivation can be fleeting and misinformation is everywhere. It's easy to fall into the trap of procrastination. The key is to find your why. Why do you want to lose weight? Is it to improve your health, boost your confidence, keep up with your kids? Write down your why and keep it somewhere visible. This will be your anchor when things get tough. Surround yourself with support. Talk to friends and family who encourage you. Consider joining a support group or working with a coach. Accountability is key. Track your food intake, exercise, and progress. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Remember, every step forward is a step in the right direction. Fueling your body, the power of nutrient-dense foods. Losing weight isn't about starving yourself, it's about nourishing your body with the right foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are packed with nutrients. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods will keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. Hydration is just as important as nutrition. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps curb cravings, boosts your metabolism, and flushes out toxins. Make small changes to your eating habits gradually. Start by swapping sugary drinks for water. Add more vegetables to your plate. Choose grilled or baked foods over fried options. Section 4. Movement is medicine. Finding joy in exercise. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Find activities you genuinely enjoy. It could be dancing, swimming, hiking, or biking. The key is to move your body and get your heart rate up. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. If you're short on time, break your workouts into shorter intervals throughout the day. Listen to your body. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Don't be afraid to try new things. Join a fitness class, find a workout buddy, or explore new trails in your neighborhood. Section 5. Mind over matter. Cultivating a positive mindset for success. Believe in yourself. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Weight loss is not just about physical changes, it's about mental transformation as well. Practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations. Focus on your progress, not your setbacks. Set realistic goals. Instead of focusing on the number on the scale, set smaller, achievable goals. For example, aim to drink more water today, or incorporate an extra serving of vegetables into your meals. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge and reward yourself for every milestone you reach. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Section 6. A journey of transformation. Sarah's inspiring story. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of two who thought she didn't have time for herself. She felt tired, overwhelmed, and unhappy with her weight. Sarah decided to make a change. She started by setting small, achievable goals. She focused on eating nutritious foods and incorporating short bursts of exercise into her day. She also prioritized her mental health, practicing self-care and surrounding herself with positive influences. The results were incredible. Sarah lost weight, gained energy, and rediscovered her confidence. But more importantly, she realized that taking care of herself wasn't selfish. It was essential. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that transformation is possible for anyone, regardless of their circumstances.